Today, we're diving into the Swann SWADS-91MBNC-GL video and power 300 feet BNC cable. Designed with security in mind, this cable offers a tight locking mechanism that ensures a secure connection without the risk of accidental disconnects. Connecting your coaxial extension is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design. The cable boasts a 75 ohm impedance, double shielding, and weather-resistant features, making it ideal for enduring harsh outdoor conditions. One standout feature is its ability to send power directly to your camera, simplifying setup and reducing clutter. Whether you're setting up a new surveillance system or upgrading an existing one, the Swann SWADS-91MBNC-GL provides reliability and durability. Its matched interconnects, male-to-male, ensure compatibility with various camera models, enhancing its versatility. The weather-resistant properties mean you can trust this cable to perform consistently, rain or shine. In terms of build quality, the cable feels robust and capable of withstanding wear and tear over time. Installation is straightforward, even for those without extensive technical expertise. Users will appreciate the peace of mind that comes with knowing their cameras are securely connected and powered reliably. Overall, if you're looking for a dependable BNC cable that combines ease of use with robust durability, the Swann SWADS-91MBNC-GL is a top contender. It's designed to meet the demands of outdoor surveillance, ensuring your security system remains operational under any conditions.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.